Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to do a live trade in crude oil. Today's date is 9th October 2024. Now the time is about 5:39 p.m. in the evening. I already taken a trade. Already I have bought a 6100 call option 5 lots at a time of 5:31 p.m. So I entered this trade at a price of 225.50 paise. So I put a target of 246.50 paise. My entry candle is this 5:27 p.m. candle only. So my target is, I fixed my target at this level, nearly 6190 level. I fixed the target in this US oil chart. So if it moves to our target in this US oil chart, in this option chart, we will reach the target of 246.50 paise. So we will wait and see, and I will update whether it will went to our target or it will return to hit our stop loss. I will update. Okay, we will wait and see. So it reaches our target, but it doesn't, in option price it doesn't went to 246.50 paise. So we will wait for some time whether it will go to our target, or otherwise we will manually book the profit also. We will wait for some more time. I will update. Now the time is evening 5:45 p.m. Our trade is finished now. We will our target got hit in this candle. So our target got hit in this candle. So we put our target at a price of 246.50 paise. So it reached the target at a time of 5:43 p.m. So we have got a profit of 10,500 rupees profit today. Okay. So today only one trade only, for according to my strategy rules entry. So hereafter I don't take any trade today. So this is the only one trade. So that trade also ended with a profit of 10,500 today. Today's charges are total charges are 218 rupees only. So our net profit is 10,500 minus this 218 rupees charges. We have gained a profit of above 10,200 rupees today. Okay, so that's all guys. Today's trade is over. So we will meet in the coming video. If anyone want to learn my crude oil trading strategies, if anyone interested to learn my crude oil trading strategies, please contact my WhatsApp number guys, or otherwise I will pinned the trading strategies link in the description also. So you will go and click the link and check the course syllabus and other details also, or otherwise you will contact my WhatsApp number guys. We will see in the next video. Thank you.